subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, the Lenovo-owned Motorola has finally launched its first foldable smartphone, Motorola Razr, at a press event in Los Angeles. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Razr comes with a clamshell design that has a dual display, one at the top of the fold to see notifications, which is 2.7-inch GOLED screen with 4:3 aspect ratio, and the other display is seen after opening the flip, which is 6.2-inch flexible POLED screen with HD resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio. As per the camera, the Motorola Razr comes equipped with single 16-megapixel AI featured camera at the top of the fold that allows to take rear side photos and videos from the main screen when unfolded. And the same camera is also used to take selfies in folded state by using secondary display. There is also another 5-megapixel camera on the main screen under the notch for selfies and video calling. Under the hood, the smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset paired with Adreno 616 GPU. The phone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. On the software front, the Motorola Razr runs on stock Android 9 Pie, and it comes backed by 2510 mAh of battery with 15 watts turbo power charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C port, and unfortunately there is no 3.5mm audio jack. Additionally, the smartphone also features fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the phone measures at 172 by 72 by 6.9mm in the unfoldable state and 94 by 72 by 14mm in the folded state. The Motorola Razr weighs around 205 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability. The Motorola Razr has been priced in the US for $1,499 US, which roughly translates to 1,07,400 Indian rupees. And the company has started taking registrations on their official website. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from January 9, 2020 in the US. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola's foldable Razr phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.